No.
Hey, who?
No, wait, it's fascinate and then cross. Fascinate.
I literally did that.
No, we need to get
It
these.
literally doesn't even matter. We're not gonna...
We need to get the action so we can help Kamaea.
Well, get them.
Hey, well, we gotta pick it then.
Well,
But who knows, maybe peasants who will break their back or something. We'll finally get to wear the pew.
maybe they'll let us be the tuckers this round.
Ooh, the tassels.
Who knows? Okay, no, again.
Okay. Go for the top.
Ready?
2, 1,
Go, MāORI. Kamaea. If she could swing that poi as good as she could swing that taha, oh my gosh, that'd be another story. And then Aniwa, probably the opposite. If he could swing that taha as good as he could swing that poi, then that would probably be amazing.
Yeah, Petty really spilt the tea. They've got a lot of work cut out for me. Kamaea, the consistency, the little arms, it's a bit of an issue. Aniwa, vocally, and mass. To bulk that boy up. So, big day. Let go. Do your own stretches. Thank you. Aniwa. What? Why are you wearing slippers?
They're comfortable.
Attitude.
I don't know. Vibes are a little bit off. It's a little bit weird, actually, I'm going to say. I know Harry, but he's been way too much in way too many people's businesses.
No, you do need to have it. You need to have it. He needs to bulk up.
Those two are definitely being weird. I reckon Kamaea's still got a secret she's not telling me. And Harrison keeps on feeding me all this protein. I have no idea what he's up to.
Thank you very much for our warm-up today.
He didn't even touch it.
So we're gonna go 2 times. 3rd time, I'm gonna speed it up.
Oh, Baba keeps on trying to bring me my poi during the rake session. All of the tupuna and the tamarikina, I shouldn't be doing rake right now.
Blake?
It's me, kia ora.
Kia ora, Harrison.
Hello.
You're Petty's best mate, eh?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
What you want to know?
How am I gonna get Aniwa and Kamaea into the Haka team? How much did you pay to get into it?
How much do you think I paid?
I don't know. That's just talent.
Or maybe it's a little bit of nepotism. We will never know, and he will never answer.
Okay.
But maybe that's a good strategy.
But are they related to anyone?
No, they're not.
So not Nepo.
No.
Anything else they can do?
They can't whisper. You've got to know how to bounce
Yeah.
in this group. Something that Petty really likes is when you speak proper Māori. So if he knows, anyone knows the difference between a rere mahi and a rere hangu, maybe.
Okay.
So sentence structure, go and impress him with something really cool, but not just cool, correct.
Cool.
Yeah.
How long are your arms?
I know. I don't know, but I reckon a little bit longer than Max.
Damn!
Yeah? Awesome.
That's perfect. All right. Thank you, Blake.
Anytime.
You're killing it.
Thank you very much.
I'll call you.
Kare anō kia rongo he o roto i ngā ringa poto, so hewa hoki.
Kia ora whānau. Kia ora. I'm just wondering, what can I do to help Aniwa and Kamaea get into the kapa?
I need to be consistent. Pumo.
Anything else to help them?
You might want to make sure they eat healthy. Maybe some protein.
Oh, yeah, can you please start just putting like 30 grams of protein into Aniwa's lunches?
A lot of them got hardcore allergies, so we always make sure to check the list.
Oh, actually, bro, can you pass us the milk in the fridge?
Yeah. The list. Look, I'm not saying I'd do anything. It's just get to ki no iho. Information is leverage.
Hey, bro. Hey, it's got the milk, bro. Young fellas these days, I don't know.
Not too Butch, not too Tucker. Can you do the T-Rex, man?
I didn't realise there was all this like nutrients and exercise regimes and all that kind of stuff. I thought it was just, you know, singing a waiter and throwing some poi around. But I've got my notes and yeah, a lot of work to do.